Yes, sir.
What's an increase in consciousness, and how do you do it?
I do it. Once somebody asked, I think it was Chögyam Trungpa. I think it was Chögyam, but what the fuck knows. But asked him, how do I get enlightened? And his response was, do it anyway. See, if it was like I could give you a pill, or even paint by the numbers or something like that, well, then we'd do that, but can't. We tried that, it just didn't work. Didn't work. So, you're all so damn young, see, but that's probably because I'm so damn old, okay? But, so it's a contrast. See, but, especially, you really young guys, you see, you haven't had a lot of life experience, you see, you haven't gone through, so you have lots to look forward to. I mean, if you still have. All right, so in any case, not all good. In any case, you've had, have you ever had an aha moment, what they call aha moment? You go, oh, I got it, and like that?
Yeah, but I have no idea what you mean, like outside intellect. I don't, I think it's all intellect.
Okay.
When you say outside intellect, I have no idea.
Okay, cool. I'll help you with that. But first, you have had an aha moment, even intellectual.
Yeah.
See, where you went from, I don't get this, to, oh, I got it.
Yeah.
And you were like, certain, oh, I got it, right? Okay, we could call that, even if it's intellectual, an increase in consciousness. So you got something you didn't have before, right? Then just kind of extrapolate out from there, so to speak. You see, it's like, grasping stuff, having insights and breakthroughs. You don't get it, you do. See, and then you hear an argument, an assertion, and I'm using the word argument like in the legal sense. Okay, so you hear an assertion, and you hear it, you understand it. See, it's like, oh yeah, I get this intellectually. I hear what's being said. Okay, you understand the English language, you understand the words. Okay, I hear what's being said, I get it, and then you follow what's being said. You say, like, oh, I can kind of validate that. I can think of, I can look into my own experience or my past or whatever it is we're talking about and kind of validate, yeah, it fits. So it seems to fit, or it fits. See, now that's the first step. See, but then once you grasp it, in that sense, I understand the assertion. Because if you don't understand the assertion, then there's nothing to put your attention on. See, there's nothing to work on. See, then you have to experience it. Is this true? It seems true. That's not good enough. See, I can validate it from my memory. It's still not good enough. Because you don't know if it's true. See, really. It just seems true. See, then you've got to set out to actually experience if it is true. How do you do that? Well, do it. See? How? It's kind of like contemplating, So you contemplate on some matter, and and you keep your attention on it, you focus on it, and you stay with it, you have the question, so to speak, you see, whatever it is you're working on, and then you grasp it. In this case, you're going to have like an assertion about you, about experience, or whatever, and you say, is that true? You look into your experience. Now, you say intellect, you only get things intellectually. Okay, well, you feel your body right now, don't you?
Yes.
All right, is that intellectual?
No.
There you go. See? So you don't only have intellect, you see? You have sensation, feeling, perception. If I punch you in the head, you're going to have a big sensation, probably some emotional reaction about that, right? And you wouldn't call that intellectual, right?
But it's not understanding either, right?
No, it's not, but I'm just making a distinction between intellect and experience.
Yeah.
Okay. See, so now, you take the intellect stuff, the assertion, and you move it into a domain that we might call experience, sort of like the sensations in your body. See, but with the assertion. See, it's like it becomes grounded and real. Like you actually get it, not just thinking about it. say is, oh, this might be new. Right? Yeah, it's okay. Gotta start somewhere.
There's no contrast for me, for example. Like there's no, there's nothing outside the getting something intellectually. So there's,
For you, you mean?
yeah, for me,
Yeah. Well, create something.
yeah,
You see, you done?
not yet.
Well, create the idea, at least, that you can grasp something beyond intellect.
Right.
Because, if you're going to grasp, well, yeah, all of it, you have to grasp beyond intellect. Intellect is just the first step. That's just kind of the first thing you start with. Somebody says, I've actually directly become conscious of the absolute nature of existence. What are they saying? See, it sounds like horseshit, doesn't it? I mean, come on. See, so, but we've got to imagine, if they're telling the truth, they're either delusional, okay, or they had something happen that you didn't have. They grasped something in a way that most people don't. Most people don't even think about it as a possibility. Okay? So, create that possibility. That's all.